Hello and welcome to the course Social Behavior in the Brain, Introduction to Social Neuroscience. I am Dr. Verma. I am an Associate Professor at the Department of Cognitive Science at IIT Kanpur. Before I begin, let us talk a little bit about what are the ground rules of this course. You have enrolled into a 20-hour NPTEL course. There will be 30 minutes lectures, 40 lectures that you will go through. You will have weekly assignments, and at the end, if you choose to give, you can give an exam and get a certificate out of this. Now, with the rules out of the way, let us talk a little bit about what are we going to talk about in this course. What is social behavior, how is it related to the brain, and what is it that you can expect to learn in this course. Now, if you see, a very common statement that we keep coming across is the statement that I have been hearing from my school days, is that man is a social animal. What does that mean? It means very simply that us humans, we interact with the environment around us, and not only the physical environment in terms of the objects and the natural terrain and so on, but we interact with other individuals that are around us. Our interaction begins with our parents, our mother to begin with, our father, our siblings, our immediate family, but it also extends to people outside our immediate family, relatives, extended family, and then we make friends, and then we get out in the society. When you go to school, you have other individuals as well, you have teachers whom you learn from, and in that sense, eventually our behavior is determined not only with respect to what we want and what our own likes and dislikes, but also a lot of our behaviors is determined by the interaction and the influence with the rest of the world. Social behavior and the brain, the course seeks to teach you how do we treat ourselves. Let us say, what is our understanding of our own self? What is self? How do we think about this? How is the self instantiated in the brain? What are the regions of the brain that allow us an understanding of ourselves? Understanding of self is something that is not new, and it is not particular or specific to psychology or neuroscience, but it is a question that has been asked across a variety of disciplines. Philosophy have asked this, biologists ask this, historians ask this, anthropologists ask this, there is theologists ask this. So, a lot of disciplines have focused about understanding where do we come from, who are we, what is our conception of ourselves, and so on. But again, our understanding of this world cannot be limited to our understanding of only ourselves. Our understanding of this world also must accommodate our understanding of this interaction between us and others. Who are these others? Am I talking about your mother or your father or your sibling, or am I talking about your friend? Am I talking about your teachers, or am I talking about, let us say, famous personalities in your country? Am I talking about famous personalities of the world? And do these people also have an influence on our behavior? Yes, because human behavior takes inspiration from in all shapes and sizes. We learn from famous personalities, anecdotes, mythological stories, historical facts, and so on. So, the next focus of this course will be understanding about how does our behavior get determined with our interaction with the rest of the world. So, broadly, if you try and understand in this course, during the course of these 40 lectures that we are going to have, we are going to try and develop an understanding of ourselves, our behavior, and also how ourselves and our behavior are influenced by others in this world. We will talk about the behavioral antecedents, we will also talk about the neural basis of how our behavior is shaped over time with respect to our interaction with the world. I hope that this course will be an interesting one for you to follow, and that you will learn a lot about social behavior and neuroscience in this course. Thank you so much.